In today's video, I am going to teach you how to invite users in Zoho WorkDrive. To get started, make sure you are signed in to Zoho WorkDrive with an account that has admin permissions. Inviting users is done from the admin area, and if you do not have the right access, you may not see the options I am about to show you. Once you are in Zoho WorkDrive, look to the left-hand menu and click Admin Console. This is the control center where you manage settings for your WorkDrive account, including people, roles, and access. Inside the admin console, go to the sidebar and select Users. This section shows you the list of people who already have access. It is a useful place to quickly confirm who is currently active, and it is also where you will add new team members. Now move to the top right and click plus Add User. This opens the form for creating a new user invitation. Take a moment to double-check that you are adding the correct person, because the invitation will be tied to the email address you enter. Next, enter the email address for the person you want to invite. Use their work email whenever possible so it stays consistent with your organization. Then choose the role. The role determines what level of access and administrative ability the new user will have, so select it carefully. If you are inviting someone who only needs to collaborate on files and folders, a standard user role is usually appropriate. If you are adding someone who will manage users or settings, make sure you assign a role that includes those permissions. After the email address and role are filled in, click Add. Zoho WorkDrive will create the user and send an invitation to the email address you provided. At this point, the user typically needs to accept the invitation to fully activate their access. If you need to invite additional users, repeat the same process from the users page. And that is all there is to it.